Okay, hi guys. What I want to share with you today is the permanent fix of the 6HP5088 code, which happens a lot on old BMW that uses the 6HP transmissions, like maybe E65, E60, or like E90. So what I found is that the symptom of the 5088 is that you can't go into any shift. So on the dashboard, it doesn't show any gears like from P to D. It doesn't recognize where it is. So that's why it's showing the gear sign. And if you read the code, it says 5088. The error code is L1 to L4 sensor. So I found the permanent fix thanks to the Russian guys here. So what he did is that he found the problem is with this circuit board, and this is the sensors. Therefore, I think it's whole magnetic sensor here. It detects where the position is of the gear. So here's the TCM. You have to drill this part off and replace the circuit board. So this is what I do. So first you remove the full body, and then you remove the TCM part, the EGS, the computers of the transmissions. So here on the left, you see the slide. It is magnetic than that. So when you move your gear in the cars, it also moves the slide here, and then the detector of the Hall sensor will able to tell where the gear is. So if the circuit board of the Hall sensor is malfunctioning, it will show the 5088 code. So what I do here is that, okay, you have to drill the black part here. So you drilled it, you have to be careful, don't drill this through. So like what I do, you can see here's the circuit board, and on the left is wires. You have to be careful, don't just cut them off and off. And then you also have to be careful that don't drill the positioning pins off. They're very important. And then you have to drill until the 6 wire on the right shows up. So that's because you have to connect them to the 6 points on the circuit board. And this is how you position them in the computers. So since as you can see, this reversed. So what I do is like I use 6 first thin wires and solder them up first, and then put it back. So first I drill them until the 6 wire showed up, and then I solder it on like that. So here's the standard positioning because you have the positioning pins, so it will be in perfect position. And then what you do next is that you have to seal it up. So I use kind of glue that for electronics that can hold up, I think until like 200 Celsius degree, because normally in the transmissions, the temperature, I think it will be around like 90 degrees to 100 degrees Celsius. So you like something can take more temperatures than that. So that's just like that. And then you put it back into the transmissions, and then the error code will be gone. Maybe you have to use uh, your error code readers to clean up, but that's what I did, and then I put it on, and then the error code is gone forever. I can the car can recognize the shift where the it is. Like this Russian guys, he did it, and then as I read, he after he done it, the problem is gone for at least 2 years till his last post. There's still no problem. So for me, this is the permanent fix. There's no error yet. So I'm gonna share with you since I don't see much on the English forums or website. Okay, thank you for watching.